Hi everyone, in this video tutorial we will learn how to mesh complex shape or nonlinear shape using Abaqus. In the part we display, we have human body at the half of a human body, and we have nonlinear geometry, and we have many faces in this part. When we use the mesh tool for meshing our mesh part, we can't mesh this part because we have problems of shape. Let's change the element type to tetrahedral element and click OK. The color pink means we have and we can mesh our part with tetrahedral element. But when we need to use hexa element or hexadominate, we can't do the mesh. Let's select again and select tetrahedral element or triangular element. Click OK. Now we can mesh our part. Meshing cells boundary. Number of cells, we have 431 cells faces in our part. That makes our mesh take a time. Now we have mesh of our nonlinear geometry or complex geometry with triangular element or tetrahedral element. Thank you for watching. See you next video.